going to talk about how to personalize this elegant wedding welcome board to your wedding. It also includes a visual timeline of your wedding day. A visual timeline has become an essential part of any bride's wedding stationery list. This gives guests the security of knowing what is to come and a rough idea of timings of when to expect certain events. So let's jump into Canva and I will show you how you can customize this template for your wedding. Okay, so here you can see in canva.com, this is what our finished product is going to look like. We have a lovely large welcome sign. We have the names of the bride and groom. We've also included a timeline of the day, including the timings and the events that are going to happen. So this is a finished product, and this can be obviously customized to whatever you are wanting. We've decided to go for really simple line drawings and symbols. You can do what works for you. Right, let's jump into how we're going to make this work. We'll start with a large text. A nice joined up script works well here. Now I like the letters joined together, so I'm going to click on spacing and reduce that spacing. So I'm just looking for a type of line that will work as a hand-drawn line. I'll need 2 of these. Flip this round. Right, now we need a straight line. Now it is advisable that you have done a rough mapping out of a plan so you know how many lines you're going to need, how many events you want to list on here. You don't have to list absolutely everything, just the main points. Less is more. Use the guides to ensure that they are aligned. We'll tidy it up later, so don't worry too much about it. When doing the tidy up, you want to make sure that your 2 furthermost points are in the correct place. So I'm making sure that they are centered on the lines, using the guides, and then we just make sure everything is selected, tidy up. Using a monochrome palette is a really good way to keep your budget down. It makes the printing costs far less, and it's actually really effective as well. Once you are finished and happy with your design, make sure you're happy with the timings, you go through to share, you're going to download, and you're going to use this pull down menu of the file type, and you're going to go down to PDF print. You don't need any of these text because you don't want the crop marks and bleed printed. You select the page. So you've got page 2 here, and then you click download and it will download to your files. You can take that straight to your printer to get it printed out on a lovely big board. Go on to CMYK, Best for Professional Printing. That is a premium feature, but RGB won't be too bad for monochromatic print. It'll get the job done. And then you go to download and you take that file directly to your printers. Jobs are good. Now that you know how to customize this gorgeous wedding welcome board with a visual timeline, you'll be able to customize it yourself. The link for the Canva template is in the description below. Make sure that you check that out. I'm Gigi from Spotted Hat Design. I help budget-savvy brides create elegant stationery for their wedding without the eye-watering price tag. If you are that budget-savvy bride, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any essential stationery off your to-do list.